Garden, and welcome to another phonics lesson. Today we're going to learn uppercase W and uppercase X. Practice those sight words did, here, and little. We're going to do some wordplay of tapping the sounds and making words. Then we're going to dive into some sentences. And your teacher might pause the video now or later for you to get your dry erase board and marker. For your exit ticket today, you're going to be practice writing uppercase W and X, and then you are going to be practicing with some more sentences. Like I said, we are practicing uppercase W and uppercase X. We know that uppercase letters have the same sound as our lowercase letters. So when we look at an uppercase W, we know that that letter is going to make the same sound, W. W, wind, W, W, W. We also know uppercase X is going to make the same sound as lowercase x. X, 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 fox, x. We've learned that the letter X is mostly heard at the end of words, like in the word fox. Practice writing uppercase W's. We know all uppercase letters begin on that skyline. So make sure you take out your magic marker and pick your color. So we are going to start at the skyline, and we are going to slide down past the plane line all the way to the grass line. Stop at the grass line, and then we're going to make sure we have a point, and we're going to slide up to the plane line. Stop at the plane line. We want another point. Then we're going to slide down from the plane line to the grass line. We want another point, and we're going to slide back up to the skyline. All right, we're going to do one more. Here we go. Skyline, slide down all the way past the plane line to the grass line, point, slide up to the plane line, point, slide from the plane line back down to the grass line, point, and we're going to slide up past that plane line all the way to the skyline. Now your teacher's going to pause the video and you're going to practice uppercase W's. Now let's practice uppercase X. We're going to start at the skyline. We are going to slide from the skyline past the plane line all the way to the grass line. Then we're going to go back up to the skyline, and we're going to slide the other way down. Make sure they cross at the plane line and down to the grass line. Let's do it one more time. Skyline, down past the plane line to the grass line, back up to the skyline, slide down. We're going to cross at that plane line and down to the grass line. Now your teacher's going to pause the video and you're going to practice uppercase X's. Here are new sight words for the week. Here. Repeat after me. Here. H-E-R-E. Here, here, here. Come right here. Did. Repeat after me. Did. D-I-D. Did, did, did. I did it. Little. Repeat after me. Little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little, little, little. It is this little. Some words. Get your tappers ready. Here we go. T, a, p. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you're going to discuss what this word is. T, a, p. T, a, p. Top. Top. Here we go. Tappers up. K, a, p. K, a, p. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you are going to talk about what word this is. K-a-p, cop. We just did the word top. Now we just did the word cop. Did we change the beginning sound, the middle sound, or the ending sound? We changed the beginning sound. Top begins with t. Cop begins with k. Both words have the same ending sound of up. Let's see what our next word is. Tappers up. A, p. A, p. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you are going to talk about what this word is. A, p. Did you say it's the word mop? You're right. Did we change the beginning, the middle, or the ending sound? We just read the word cop. This is the word mop. Did we change the beginning, the middle, or the ending sound? The beginning sound. Cop begins with k. Mop begins with m. All right, let's dive into our sentences. I need you to tell me, is this a complete sentence or not a complete sentence? Let me see. Ooh, I'm seeing a lot of head shaking and a lot of thumbs down. Let me see why this isn't a complete sentence. I have my period and I have words. So I see I don't have an uppercase. This says he with a lowercase h, and I know at the beginning of a sentence, we start with an uppercase letter. So let me change this H to an uppercase H. There we go. Let's read the sentence now. He did not like the mud. Read it with me. He did not like the mud. Now you try. Great. How many words do we have in this sentence? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 words. Remember, when you get to the end of a line, when you're reading, you should always go to the next line. Don't forget about those words in the sentence because if you don't see the period, that means you need to keep reading. Do you see one of our sight words of the week in the sentence? Are you pointing to the word did? You're right. Did is a sight word this week. All right. Is this sentence complete? Yeah, I have my uppercase, I have my period. I'm going to read the sentence. Sky will go here on the bus. This is a person's name. It's important that we always have an uppercase letter in people's names. We know that this is the first word in our sentence, so it should have an uppercase. We also always need to make sure we have an uppercase for people's names. Read it with me. Sky will go here on the bus. Do you see the sight word of the week? Are you pointing to the word here? You're right. Oh, here's my mixed up sentence. I need to match this sentence. A rat is little. A rat is little. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you guys are going to talk about what word should come first and how can I put the sentence back together. Well, we know when we read a sentence and we write a sentence, we always need a capital letter. When I'm looking at these words, I see the word A is capital, uppercase. You can either call it uppercase or capital. This is an uppercase A. We know A is a letter, but the letter A is also a word. When we're writing sentences, this is the word A. And this word A is uppercase. So that is the first word in my sentence. I can always go back and reread my sentence, a rat is little, and see that A is the first word. What word did you choose next? Rat? What can I do to find the word rat? We've been doing a lot of stretching and a lot of tapping, and I could always go through all of my words and do that. Let's look at this word. I know this is the letter R and it makes the Letter A makes the A, and the letter T makes the T. Let me tap it all together. A, T. A rat. That's the word I need. Is that the word you guys picked? Great. A rat. A rat is. Well, is a sight word that I've learned. So I know that this is the word is. And little is a sight word this week. We're going to put little up here. Of course, my period tells me when to stop. In Seesaw today, you're going to work on writing uppercase W and X, as well as reading the sentence, the little cat did go here. You're going to count how many words, find the period, find the uppercase, and then put the sentence back together. Until next time, bye, kindergarten.